Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Dark Season 3, Episode 5 and 6 into this video, and today I'm gonna try to watch the 4 last episodes of this final season. If you want to see my reaction videos about the 4 first episodes in 2 videos, because I'm making one video for 2 episodes, I'm gonna put the links, you know, into the eye if you want to check that before watching this reaction video. Maybe go check that so you can have the whole explanation that I made about the fact that I'm making reaction videos about this show. But I'm also honest with you guys, telling you that I'm making these reaction videos for fun, to entertain you with my reactions, but don't expect me to make good series about the show, to be that kind of reactor. Really, this show is making me dumb. And you know, when I was editing the 2 reaction videos, the 2 first ones, I saw myself during the intro and review trying to justify myself, trying to justify the fact that this show is making me dumb, that I have the impression to have an empty brain, you know, an empty mind, that I'm just trying to understand what is happening on screen and I'm not even thinking about what could happen, what is gonna happen, and all of that. That I was trying to justify myself by telling you that with other shows I'm making good series, I'm trying to understand it, I'm really playing that game with other shows. And you know, when I edited the videos and I saw that I was trying to justify myself so much, I was also like, you don't have to justify yourself, you don't have to justify the fact that this show is putting you into that position, into a mood where you are just like, what is happening? Because in fact this show is built, is created, is written to put you into that kind of situation. And you were some on the comments trying to reassure me with that, trying to tell me that it's alright, you are also making wrong series and you have also some mental breakdowns during the episode. Like I said, for me, if you are watching my reaction videos, it's for the entertainment, to see me having so many mental breakdowns and shutdowns also. So during the review I'm trying to talk much more about how the show is written, how the show is filmed, you know, all of the tools that they are using and all of the things that they are using to create it, then really the story, because it's such a complicated story and with so many things involved and we don't have all of the information yet about it. I cannot wait to watch this end of the final season, because you were also a lot to tell me that I'm gonna have the answer about everything, and that's so great because I have so many questions. We already have one big information now, the fact that Jonas number 1, you know, the real number 1, and Martha number 2 from the other world, they made sex, but she's also pregnant now because of that, and that's why their 2 worlds is like that, you know, is gonna create that bond, that link between the 2 worlds. And we know that this baby is gonna be that fucking scary man. He doesn't have a name, but he's working with his mom, so I mean, he's working with old Martha number 2. I'm wondering about that because Martha number 2, we saw her also working with Adam, doing something to Adam, and Adam is the one telling her that she's pregnant. So when this is gonna happen, you know, the fact that she's gonna switch and be against him, a theory about that, it can be the fact that someone, I think that it was adult Martha number 2, said that a world has to survive and a world has to be destroyed. Maybe they both want to save their own world. And we know also Martha number 2, adult and old, they are repeating a lot the fact that Jonas is not gonna give up on Martha number 1, you know, from Jonas' world. So maybe it can be because of that, you know, the fact that they're gonna separate, the fact that they're gonna be against each other, but still he's working with his mom. Before us learning that he's her son, she said something like, we are fighting for people to live and to exist. And she was talking about her son when she said that, and she was speaking to him. So, you know, during the editing moment, I saw that this line was for him, in fact, and not for the persons that we were thinking of, you know, the ones that she loves into her own world. So yes, a lot of questions, a lot of things, like also Katarina, who went into the past. She's pregnant and she's gonna have a baby, but who is gonna be that kid? And you know, that was clever during the last episode, the fact that we began the episode knowing that she was pregnant. We knew that this episode was gonna be about the origin and beginning the episode with that man talking about his past. I understood, and I think that other fans understood, that this episode was gonna be about his origin, who are his parents, and because we began the episode learning that Katarina was pregnant, we were connecting the two of them together, and in fact no, at the end, ta-da! Martha number 2 is pregnant also. That was fucking clever. We'll see. And I'm gonna see that during these 2 episodes that I'm gonna watch together. I'm gonna make a quick review about the first episode and then a big review of the 2 episodes. Let's go! Oh, and also remember, I'm watching it into the original version in German but with English subtitles. That's fucking awkward. One of you needs to speak.
Jonas?
Uh-huh.
Nichts.
It was not the same transition, you know, it was more like a breath. No.
Hast du jemals darüber nachgedacht, ob es möglich ist, die Zeit zurückzudrehen?
Ich habe mir lange gewünscht, die Zeit zurückzudrehen. Das ist mein Sohn und seine Frau.
Was?
Sie sind bei einem Autounfall ums Leben gekommen. Da waren 2 Frauen. Die sahen eigenartig aus. Das ist das Einzige, was du bei dir hattest.
She went and made a deal with you because of what she had. And she asked you to destroy that child.
Ich habe mich gefragt, ob ihr die Pläne archiviert. 1986. Ich will, dass du dich unserer Seite anschließt. Evas Seite.
You're on Eva's side.
Aber Eva will beide Welten retten.
Can she? She said herself that it's not possible.
In allen 3 Momenten wurden im Tunnel Rückstände von Cesium hinterlassen, einer Komponente der schwarzen Materie. In jedem Kreislauf wird an all diesen 3 Momenten das Cesium erneut in den Tunnel gebracht, bevor es komplett zerfallen ist.
Oh.
So ist die Passage entstanden. Und so muss sie auf ewig fortbestehen.
Sie bringen den LKW mit den Fässern heute her. Wir warten, bis es Nacht wird. Der Kratzer. Sehr weh. Die Mutter, die mich hergebracht hat. Aber wenn du zu ihr wirst, dann bleibt alles gleich. Warum hat die verloren? Vielleicht sind wir es, die es überhaupt auslöst. Die ganze Zeit habe ich das gemacht, was die anderen gesagt haben. Ich muss zurück zu Eva. Ich will endlich wissen, was die Wahrheit ist.
They want to save their own world. And he's never gonna give up on his Martha. That's what they said.
Wenn ich von dir laufe, wie lange brauche ich dann bis hinten?
An deiner Stelle würde ich mir das auch mal überlegen. Wenn du das wie ein schwarzes Loch. Wenn du einmal drin bist, kommst du nie wieder raus.
Na,
Glaubst du dran, dass man jemanden von den Toten zurückholen kann? Man muss sie holen, bevor sie gestorben sind.
Ich bin Peter.
Charlotte.
Hab keine Angst.
you son of a bitch! Don't do anything to her, I swear. Just chill. Don't touch her, don't do anything to her. Don't give her. Don't. Ah, that's disgusting. No. I swear, if you're touching her, you son of a bitch, don't. Oh, he's trying to control himself, we can see that. No. I can't see that, I can't. I'm so shocked by what just happened. Come on! Come on! I think that you killed him, but he killed your mother. And he tried to rape you. She's all alone now. And you know, for the show, it means nothing to kill them, because in fact, if they are breaking this thing, they're gonna still be alive, but what?
Es ist Zeit.
I don't understand what they are doing. I mean, we saw already Agnes doing that.
Du musst sie führen. Jonas, Noah, Elisabeth. Wir müssen den Knoten aufrechterhalten. Du musst in deiner Welt alles dafür tun. Und ich in meiner. Woher soll ich wissen, was ich tun muss? Es steht alles da drin. Wenn es nur eine Welt geben kann.
He's gonna choose his, because his Martha is from his world.
Hast dich jetzt entschieden.
Ich wollte das ja alles nicht.
He was guided to do all of that, but he did it.
Gestern Nacht.
Das hier ist falsch.
Oh, I'm so sorry for you.
Das hier ist falsch, ja.
I'm not on one side or another, you know, because I still have trouble to understand what they are doing, for what reasons, for what end.
Die Schlüsselkarte.
You're attacking your mother. Don't. That's your mother.
Ich bin nicht deine Mutter. So kommst du es mir an. Ich hab dich weggemacht.
You're killing your daughter. I was thinking about the consequences of that, about the symbolic of that. For sure you didn't deserve that, but again, am I surprised that they are killing all of the important characters? Not really. The necklace? Ooh! Oh, you killed her. Oh, I just understood. She thought that adult Katarina was kid that she didn't have, you know, when she had this abortion. That way she said, I made you go away. Oh, I just understood it. That's complicated.
Ich will zurück. Jetzt. In meine Welt.
Ein Mensch lebt 3 Leben. Das erste endet mit dem Verlust der Naivität. Das zweite mit dem Verlust der Unschuld. Und das dritte mit dem Verlust des Lebens selbst. Deines endet hier und jetzt. Was?
You're not gonna kill him. That's I
Du
do.
hast erledigt, wozu du in diese Welt geschickt wurdest.
Yes, make her
Wir
pregnant.
haben nichts erledigt.
Oh, really not so far from the other.
Wer bist du?
Oh.
Es tut mir leid.
You left Adam, but how did you go with him and how did you leave? I'm confused and sad. I know, this is the 2 emotions that I'm supposed to have with Dark, with this show. I'm confused because first Jonas, just died. Really? Died. We know that we have the other Jonas, who is older and all. You know, who made these experiences and all of that. And I'm so sad. I mean, the fact that he died, and also for her, for him, she was in love with him, really, we saw that. And she saw an older version of herself, but not that much older, you know, like just a few months, killing him, the man that she loves for now, without saying why and all, just saying that she's sorry. And him is dying without knowing the truth, without knowing everything, and having the impression that he never did something on his own, you know. I still want to know how Martha number 2 went with Adam and how she left Adam also to be right there with Eve during that moment. They all lied, they all manipulated Jonas to do all of this stuff. They needed him to do all of this stuff, to be into these moments. I mean, they put him into these moments, this place, I mean these moments of time, these places, these worlds, because they knew that saying him this stuff, he was gonna do the things that he was supposed to do for them, for all of that to repeat again. What was really right, you know? What was not a manipulation coming from them? I mean, if Claudia did all of that and was on Eve's side since the beginning because the other version of her told her that, I mean, she was also manipulated by this other version of her, but she was manipulating Jonas also since the beginning for Eve. So, since the beginning, Eve is manipulating Jonas. But what was really right? You know, things happening without someone manipulating someone else. All of the rest that happened to everyone else, but not Jonas. That's making me really sad, you know. He was never really in control of what he did. I mean, he did it, but he was put into these moments of time, these places, these worlds, that kind of mood, with these things being told to him. I mean, where was really the moment when he could have chose something else? He was guided to do that, to think like that. I really don't know how it can end if it's not the fact that they're all gonna die. I mean, at some point we're gonna lose every one of them. I'm saying that since the beginning. That's my only theory about this final season, and you saw it, you heard me say it since episode 1. I think that they're all gonna die, or at least a lot of major characters are gonna die, because of the fact that, you know, they are playing with time, they are playing with world, they are playing with the fact that at the end they're all gonna die, or maybe at the end they're all gonna survive because they're gonna change the things and all. Because of that, they are into that kind of mind mood. It doesn't matter if they killed each other, because at the end, in fact, they're gonna be alive. But right here, you know, Peter and Katarina. I was so sad for the first one, and I was so shocked about the second one. She killed her daughter because she thought that it was the kid, you know, the daughter that she never had when she had this abortion. I didn't understand it during the scene, and I didn't understand the thing, you know, about I made you die or something like that. I understand it when she said to her daughter, younger, that she should have killed her also sooner. She thought about abortion, you know. That's awful. That scene. And the other one, Elizabeth, I'm so sad. She lost everything. She was almost raped. She had to fight with a man who killed her father, and she killed him just after that. I'm so sad for her. That scene shocked me also, but in the way of breaking me, you know. It was... Okay, so I'm gonna stop right now and let's go for the episode 6. And again, don't trust anything that I just said during my review. Really, all of my theories are always wrong, so please don't listen to me. I'm trying, but you're gonna see they are all wrong. Let's go. We're back.
Ein Weg, mich zu retten. Und dich.
No, you're lying.
Doch dafür müssen wir Opfer bringen. Warum macht das? Wir passen perfekt zusammen. Ich glaube niemals etwas anderes.
I'm tired of this house.
Was ist denn passiert?
Long story.
Das Kernkraftwerk. Heute. Bartos Vater versucht, einen Störfall zu vertuschen. Die Welt geht unter.
Ich weiß doch nicht mehr ganz richtig.
Nah. How can you believe you?
Du hast mir versprochen, dass es einen Weg gibt, das alles zu ändern. Die Apokalypse nicht passiert.
Aber ich habe endlich begriffen, was das Paradies wirklich ist. Muss die Apokalypse passieren. In meiner Welt und in deiner.
Lass mich raus! Jonas!
You're calling him Jonas.
Niemand erpresst mich. Wenn wir treffen ihren Leben Entscheidungen, die wir nicht wieder rückgängig machen können. Mein Name ist nicht Alexander. Ich
I always had a kind of pity, you know, for Bartos. He's always involved, but not really.
Ist doch klar.
Jetzt hör mir uns zu. Ulrich gehört mir. Und daran wird sich auch nichts ändern. Kommt doch mal mit Peter vorbei. Dann gehen wir alle zusammen aus. Das Ergebnis der mikroskopischen Untersuchung der beiden Fälle.
I'm sorry, I'm beginning to think that we have the two of them pregnant at the same time, and we are searching for the origin of Charlotte. Can it be possible that in both worlds
Das ist das
she is
den
her
ich
mother?
gefunden habe. Irgendwie durch die Zeit gereist.
You got it.
Ich glaube, dass wir unser Leben selbst in die Hand nehmen. Dass wir entscheiden, welchen Weg wir gehen.
Jonas, not really. She's hugging you like this is the end of the world.
Willst du noch wohin?
She's gonna try to stop it. The sound, it's like a heartbeat.
Jonas.
Ow!
Ich habe ihn getötet. Warum liegt er noch in seiner Welt?
Der Moment, der die Dinge in die eine oder in die andere Richtung laufen lässt. In unsere Welt. Oder nicht. Zwei sich überlappende Realitäten.
Okay, that's what the other Jonas dreamed of. He never met you.
Es ist übrig geblieben. Nach der Katastrophe. Wenn ich herausfinde, wie es funktioniert, dann kann ich zurück. Dann kann ich sie retten, Martha und Mikkel. Dann kann ich sie alle finden.
Die Substanz aus dem Apparat. Du und ich, wir haben sie erneut in den Tunnel gebracht. Wir haben die Komponenten der Gleichung verändert. Vielleicht gelingt es beim nächsten Mal.
Ich habe keine Zeit, 31 Jahre zu warten. Warum hat sie es gesagt? Dann ältere sich. Sie wusste, dass Martha stirbt.
Ich kann dir helfen, Martha zu retten.
She's lying.
Sie lässt es aus. Heute. Wir müssen mit ihm sprechen. Die Apokalypse.
Is he gonna believe you?
Dieser Name, okay.
You know it.
Der Junge im Bunker. Du hast gesagt, du hast sie getötet. Gesagt, ich muss es tun. Ihn in die Zukunft schicken. Um die Lücken zu schließen. Ich muss ihn stoppen. Wen stoppen? Dich. Du kannst gehen.
You want to follow him, maybe?
Und du hast ihn umgebracht.
You told him the truth? What you know as the truth?
Das alles hat irgendwas mit deinem Vater zu tun. Besser
And
nicht.
you couldn't believe. I don't know why, but I trust you. I believe in you.
Bitte.
You're really calling your dad. Charlotte?
Charlotte, Alexandrine,
He promised to destroy her.
kannst du uns auf den Weg kommen?
Oh, I'm scared of them. For what? For where? For when?
Ihr wisst, was zu tun ist.
They're gonna go also? Bartos, you are really believing to her. I love that. Tick tock. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. You're going, your boss going, and now, and into this world.
Wer seid ihr?
Oh,
Los.
Sie haben dich belogen. Deine Eltern nicht. Sie wollen die Apokalypse nicht verhindern. Aber es gibt einen Weg, das alles zu ändern.
Aber du musst dich für unsere Welt entscheiden. Und ihm vertrauen. Und er weiß, wo der Ursprung ist. Aber davor musst du Jonas vor der Apokalypse in seiner Welt retten.
that's how you saved him the first time and you joined Adam. Okay.
Du musst wieder zurückkommen.
Wohin mit
Er gehört nicht zu uns.
Oh yes, I was surprised.
Sie werden ihn
Come. They will save him.
Dieser Knoten hat uns allen das Leben geschenkt. Und wir sind seine Bewahrung in beiden Welten.
Wir errichten die Mauern dieses Labyrinths. Egon, du musst deine Vergangenheit erschaffen, um den Stammbaum zu erhalten. Nur, du musst die Liebe bringen, damit alles neu entsteht.
When they're going into it, same for you and the ones that you're sending.
Warum machst du das?
Sie alle erfüllen ihr Schicksal.
You are doing the
Magnus und
same.
Franziska, Charlotte und Elisabeth.
Adam and Eve, they are doing the same.
Jetzt, das, was in dir wächst, der Ursprung, er muss sterben. Und es braucht die Energie beider Welten, um ihn zu zerstören.
So,
Die Apokalypse in meiner Welt und die Apokalypse in deiner Welt. Und jetzt wird er durch sie sterben und wir alle mit ihm. Nichts von dem hier wird es mehr geben.
are we sure of that?
Löschen sich gegenseitig
That it
aus.
can work, that it can have these consequences?
Annihilation.
You want to hurt her and kill her kid.
Kein Paradies.
Stop with the necklace. I'm tired.
Wir sind falsch. Du und ich. In deiner Welt und in meiner.
Jonas, bitte mach's. Jonas!
Jede Verbindung in der einen Welt muss auch in der anderen Welt geschlossen werden.
The picture is beautiful. I mean, all is so well done. They were all sent. This is yourself. They were all sent. Adam and Eve's team. You put a letter. In both worlds, you were the one to provoke the accident? Eve wants it, but Adam also needs it. But if Adam has it, in fact, it never happened. Do you understand what I mean? Because it was his son who provoked it, so if you're killing your son, he's not gonna provoke it. Are you? They provoked it, I mean, the only person. And at the end? They both wanted the apocalypse to happen. They both sent people in the past, in the future, different places and all, to be sure that everything happened like it happened. Do you understand what I mean? All of the thing about everything is repeating itself. They needed to be sure that the apocalypse happened. But they didn't need it for the same reason. And Adam, he wanted it to kill his baby. The kid in all of his ages was responsible of the apocalypse. The apocalypse happened because of him. But he was killed during the apocalypse. Do you understand what I mean? It's creating a... Adam, I mean, did he just win? Or maybe he didn't predict something that happened with Martha just right there. I'm lost. I'm totally lost. I have some issues even, just to talk. Again, because I think that all of my theories are gonna be wrong, but also because right now I'm not having any theory. If it's not what I just said. Everything was supposed to happen like that, and we were just seeing each of the team all along these seasons and episodes making everything right to be sure that it's gonna happen. But the finality of it, you know, they didn't want it for the same reason. They both wanted their world to survive. Which one win? At the end, we are seeing the apocalypse happening in Martha number 2 world. Does it mean that Adam succeeded and her world is destroyed no matter what? Or it's just because of the fact that we never saw the apocalypse happening into her world. We saw it happening into Jonas' world, but not in Martha number 2 world. And the Jonas who made these experiences and all, he was the Jonas who wasn't saved by Martha number 2. I'm intrigued by that. Are you seeing all of the things which are happening into my head right now? Are you seeing it into my eyes and into my face enough? Are you seeing how much I'm trying to understand it and I'm not succeeding at all? I'm not sure that my face is, you know, expressive enough so you can see it. Because it's going so far and so quick right there, right now. I mean, I have the impression that it's going too far and so quick, but I'm not so sure, in fact. Like, I'm not sure that I'm that clever with this show, you know, because again, I have the impression that this show is making me dumb. But not really with these 2 episodes. I'm glad that during these 2 episodes, I have the impression that we have a lot more answers, and I have the impression that we are really seeing everything, not clearly, but at least we are understanding stuff like, okay, she said that because of that, okay, it was there because of that, okay, it means that. Yes, we have explanations, not really answers, but explanations. Do you understand what I mean? I still miss the answers in the sense of the truth, the reason, what, but I understand why it happened like that, why they show us that. Yes, I have the impression to have explanations but not answers, which is also confusing if you think about it, because now I understand how Martha number 2 worked for Adam at first, and then he said to her the origin. He tried to kill her and to kill her baby, but we have another Martha older and doing all of that, so he didn't succeed, or maybe he succeeded, but like Jonas, first Jonas is still alive in his world, she is still alive in her world because of a moment which doesn't happen. But Adam, does he know that? I mean, that it can happen like that? Oh yeah, I'm going too far. And if I need just to talk about how this episode was done, it was really great, really, because again, it's bringing explanations, but not in a way like not the characters talking so clearly to really present the explanations to the viewers. No, it's really just characters talking to each other, and just by their words and their looks and how they are acting, we are understanding stuff. But you know, it's not so obvious like some other shows, which are, you know, puzzle shows like that. Sometimes they are too obvious during the explanation thing. It was explanations without really saying explanations, without really ping, you have it, you have your explanation. No, it's still a way to make us understand the explanation in an easier way than during all of this show, but still, you know, a way like that. They are still using, you know, the same tool, the same switch between people for explaining to us that we are changing of world or we are changing of timeline. That's interesting. Better for me, I mean, than during the 4 first episodes when I had the impression to have a seizure, you know, each time that they were doing that. It's not shocking me so much, and I love the fact that they are not doing it just like that now. They are really, you know, we have a zoom and a thing like that. They are putting the sound of breath during that moment. It's giving me the impression that it's the same tool but not used in the same way. Like, it's not so, I don't know how to say it, it's not so fast. Maybe because it's changing, maybe because they are changing, but it's really more giving me the impression of someone breathing, you know, during that moment. Like, during another moment I had the impression to hear heartbeats and I was not sure of who it was. I can't remember in which moment I'm gonna see that during the editing, but I had that kind of moment. Charlotte, her parents, I don't know why, but I'm suspecting already. Yes, she's pregnant in the 2 worlds and in 2 periods of time. Why can't she be a mother, in fact? We need a mother and a father for Charlotte. And the only person that we have who is pregnant or who has a child that we don't know Nina, how it's gonna end for that child, it's her. I'm still waiting for that answer also. Bartos, I love the fact that he's believing in Martha number 2. And then he's saved by this version of him, sent by Eve, when Magnus and his girlfriend are sent by Adam. I want Bartos to have a better place into that show. I always had some pity for him, like he's there but not really there, he's used but not really used. For me, he can have a bigger place into this show. And what happened just right there, the fact that he was believing into Martha and he saw her disappearing with Adam's people, and then he was saved by himself. Maybe Bartos can do something at some point. And I'm gonna see that today because I'm gonna watch the 2 last episodes today also, this afternoon. So it's all for you for today for this video of Dark, and it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye!
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.